Men and women both lose hair, but when we see outside, we see a lot of men without hair, like mainly the baldness, whereas women it is thinning. Why does this happen? I am Dr. Roshan. Today we will be discussing in detail about hair loss. So they say hair is passport to the society. So lot of confidence we get when we have full head of hair. Whenever we are losing hair, people try to lose their confidence also. So why does we lose hair? Why do we lose hair? And what are the main reasons for this hair loss? This is what we'll be knowing in this video. So broadly, if we divide hair loss, there are mainly two types of hair loss. One is known as scarring hair loss, other one is known as non-scarring hair loss. So we'll not be discussing about the scarring hair loss, that is mainly because of some diseases of the scalp. So we'll not go in detail about the scarring hair loss. So what we'll be in this video, what we'll be dealing is mainly the non-scarring hair loss, or known as non-scarring alopecia. So when it comes to non-scarring hair loss, there are mainly two main important conditions. One is known as telogen effluvium and the other one is known as the genetic hair loss. So this telogen effluvium is the most common hair loss that happens in women, whereas the genetic hair loss is the most common hair loss that happens in men. So when we say telogen effluvium, the hair loss happens universally, like throughout the scalp people will be losing hair fall will be more, and the main reason for this is the stress, any illness, or any hormonal imbalance like your thyroid, or it can be also because of postpartum and also any deficiencies. So these are the few common reasons for telogen effluvium. So when it comes to genetic, the main things what we see in genetic is two things. One is the male pattern hair loss, the other one is the female pattern hair loss. So both these hair loss is mainly because of sensitivity of the hormones, and this sensitivity of the hormones lead to hair thinning. So in this video, main focus will be on this male pattern hair loss, why men lose hair, why we develop a particular pattern, like in a particular pattern in where we see the hair loss. So all these things we'll be discussing one by one in this video. Okay, so when it comes to male pattern hair loss, the main reason is the DHT hormone. So we all know that we all have testosterone hormone. This hormone gets converted into one more byproduct known as dihydrotestosterone. So whenever there is sensitivity of dihydrotestosterone to the hair follicles, then the hair starts becoming thin. So this is mainly negative impact of the DHT on your hair follicles. Okay, what do you mean by DHT sensitivity and why does it happen? See, like there is no proper explanation why the DHT sensitivity happens. It is not the increased or the decreased level of the DHT. What changes here is people who are losing hair or in whom the thinning has started. What happens mainly here is the DHT hormone, your hair follicles will start responding to the DHT hormone. Till the time they are not responding, then you will not lose hair. But whenever your hair follicles start responding to DHT hormone, then the hair will become thinner and thinner and thinner, and one day we lose hair. This is how the male pattern hair loss happens. The next risk factor is the family history. People with family history of hair loss or family history of baldness, then they also have high chances of losing hair. It is not 100% that you should have family history, but if the family history is present, then there is high chance for losing the hair. And some other risk factors like smoking and change in environment, your change in water, all these things can trigger it, but they are not the main reason for your hair fall. So once this DHT sensitivity starts, then we start losing hair in a particular pattern. So what are the signs of this male pattern hair loss? So hair starts thinning and we might see receding hairline, these temple areas going inside, thinning on the crown area. So most characteristic thing in this male pattern hair loss is we see thinning only in this area. So whereas the side hair, the back hair, all these hairs are still strong. When the hair is thinning only in this area, then it is most of the times it is male pattern hair loss. So the hormone which is responsible for this, the DHT hormone, It doesn't affect the hair which is present on the side of our scalp, on the back, and also on the body hair. That's the reason why we don't lose hair in these areas. And again, that is the reason for hair transplantation also. That is the logic behind hair transplantation. We take hair from these areas which are DHT resistant, and it will be implanted into the areas where we are losing hair. I hope you understood what are the different types of hair fall and why men lose hair in a particular pattern. And if you are losing hair, there is options for treating your hair loss. Please consult nearest doctor and see what best we can do for your hair loss. Thank you for watching this video. Please take care of your hair, take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video.